So after my dinner last night, I went out and I saw a fox on my way back. And then after work, I went for a little walk before bed and I saw 2 more foxes. There's just tons of foxes all over London. It's wild. I've been watching London Fox TikTok. So that's pretty cool. Today I'm gonna go down to the Borough Market and eat some food. Made it to Borough Market. Let's go on in. Hi, I'll take a small mocha with oat milk. Thank you. Oh, it's pretty.
Good morning.
Good start to the morning. Hey, here's the food. Oh my god, this place is like heaven. Wow. This fruit place smells so good. It smells like the best durian. Salt beef. This way. There's a lot of good looking stuff. I think I'm gonna start with the salt beef sandwich because I've never heard of that before. This looks so good. I got the reddest watermelon juice I've ever seen. And I got this salt beef bagel. It looks so good.
It's so tasty. It's a lot like a Reuben. I'm definitely a fan.
Alright, now I got some pad thai. I put too much chili. I need to pull my mouth out. Let's get some mango sticky rice and see if they've got Thai iced tea. Woo! She told me that chili I put on there was Thai chili. I was like, yeah, I put on like 3 scoops. She's like, what's wrong with you? But I got my mango sticky rice. They did not have Thai iced tea today. This looks so good though. Is this a blobfish? What the hell? Got pistachio cannoli, Sicilian style. How cute it is. I got a cider tasting. I'm here with my new friend. She got a cider slushie. Is it good?
It is.
Nice. Well, that was lovely having a drink with my new Brazilian friend. I have to work in like an hour, so I'm just walking on back to the Airbnb. Might as well walk, get some exercise in. This guy was asking me for help with directions, so I walked with him for a while, but then he kept asking other people, even though I was walking with him, telling him where he should go. So I just left him because I didn't see the point in helping him if he didn't believe me. Damn, the Thames is roaring. So this is like a theater specifically for Shakespeare, I guess. Shakespeare's Globe. Pretty cool. The Millennium Bridge. Very nice. Tate Modern, free and open to all. That's pretty cool. You can see the Tower Bridge. This is St. Paul's Cathedral. It looks like the White House. That is a big church. Alright, overall had a chill day. I had to work and yeah, so that's it. It's on to the next one. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.